Fragment Design is back at it with Nike and Jordan brand, dropping more highly anticipated collabs. After the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low in a clean white and blue colorway, all eyes are now on early 2026. That's when Fragment Design teams up with Union LA for two special Air Jordan 1 releases. One of these colorways first surfaced in April, spotted on Fragment founder Hiroshi Fujiwara during a Seoul art exhibit. This release perfectly blends Fragment's signature style with Union LA's unique touches, all on the classic Air Jordan 1 silhouette. It draws inspiration from Fragment's iconic 2014 Air Jordan 1, known for its white, black, and royal blue palette with the signature heel branding. This updated version adds technical text along the midsole and medial swoosh, while Union LA contributes exposed stitching, a UNLA tag on the collar, and an oversized wings logo. Set for spring 2026, retail is $200.